Hello guys, I am Adik and in this video we'll learn how to make a color mixing project using the Smokecode IDE. Let's start making the circuit. We'll require a smoke board, 3 male to male wires, 6 male to female wires, an RGB light of common cathode type, a potentiometer and 3 resistors of the band brown, black, brown as shown on the screen. We'll now take the RGB LED and try to connect it on our breadboard. Because its pins are too close by default, we'll separate them out so that we can connect them on the breadboard. Now make sure the tallest leg, which is the second from left, is kept in the right direction, which is it should be the second from the left side of the breadboard, and connect it like this way. Now take the resistors and one by one we'll connect them on the RGB LED. Take the first resistor and fold it so that we can connect it easily on the breadboard, and connect it between the two ends, two vertical series of pins in the on the first pin of the LED and on the third and fourth pin of the LED. So we'll take the second resistor and connect it on the third pin of the LED. We'll take the fourth resistor and connect it on the fourth pin of the LED. Now take the trim pot, which is the potentiometer, and make sure our 3 notches of the potentiometer stay on the top side of the breadboard, and connect it in a way that we can have 3 pins connected to it on the lower side of the breadboard. Now take a male to male wire and connect the third pin of the potentiometer to the negative line of the breadboard. Connect the first pin of the potentiometer to the positive line of the breadboard. Now take a male to female wire and connect the middle line of the potentiometer to pin number 21 of the smoke board think menu. Now let's take the red wire and connect the first resistor's end to one end of the wire, and pin number 5 to the second end of the wire, pin number 5 of the smoke board think menu. Now take the green wire and connect the second resistor's end to pin number 4 of the smoke board think menu, and take a blue wire and connect the third resistor's end to pin number 2 of smoke board think menu. Now connect the black wire from the negative line of the breadboard to GND pin or ground pin of the smoke board. Take a white wire and connect the positive line of the breadboard with 3v3 pin or 3.3 volt pin of the smoke board. Now connect the negative line of the breadboard with the LED's second pin as shown here. This is our circuit. Now let's connect it to our computer. Let's launch the Smokecode IDE and code for the project. we'll create a new project for the color mixing project. The project is created. Now let's pick an on interval node and set its interval to 0.05 seconds. Now take an analog read node and connect it with our on interval node. Double click on it to open its configuration menu and click on the pencil icon. Now set the pin to pin number 21 and click add and click done. Our configuration for analog read is done. Now it outputs analog values on this variable digital_value. Now take the map node and connect it with our analog read node. Open its configuration and set the input to our digital value which was output by our analog read node and set y2 equals to 360. This will convert all the values from 0 to 4095 to 0 to 360 degrees. It is just a range converter. Now we'll use the HSV RGB node and connect it to our map node. Double click on the node of HSV RGB and set HSV to RGB mode of conversion. Now for hue, use the mapped value or the value that was output by the map node and set the saturation and value of the node to 100%. Now take the analog write node and connect it to our flow. Double click on it and click on the pencil icon and set the pin number to 5, which is our red LED's output pin, and make sure the timer is set to 0 and channel is set to 0. Our intensity of the red LED should be set to hue or red and click done. Now take another analog write node and connect it with our flow and select add new analog write config and click on the pencil icon. Here we'll create another output pin which will be our pin number 4 and it should be on channel number 1 of timer 0. Set its intensity to sat or green and click done. Now take another analog write node which will perform the function of our blue LED, and again for this create a new config node, click on the pencil icon and set the pin number to 2 and channel number to 3, channel number to 2. Click add, set the intensity to blue and click done. Now the flow will do is it will go on reading our potentiometer status using analog read and it will map them to RGB, which means red, green and blue colors of our RGB LED, and those values will then be produced on the RGB LED using the 3 nodes. A quick correction guys, we need to change the wire that's connected on pin number 21 to get connected on pin number 13 of snowboard thing now. Also in the code, go to analog reads configuration menu and click the pencil icon and change the pin number from 21 to 13 and click done. Now let's upload the code. It will ask us to press the boot button for a while. As we can see, the project has started. Now we'll turn the potentiometer and we can see the color of the LED starts changing. We can set it to any color by just turning the potentiometer screw. That's all for this project, guys. For more details and explanation, check the website documentation link in the video description. For more projects, stay tuned on Smokecode's social media channels on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. See you later.